Welcome to the Brown Belt video. We're going to learn Ode to Joy. The music here introduces dies al fine. We know fine means end. Ds means go back to the sign. You're going to go back to that sign that I'm highlighting right here, and you play until you get to the word fine. Dies al fine. So follow along as I play it. Notice the entire second line of the piece does not help you with the note names. Here's my rule. You don't get to write those letters in on your music. You have to use what you know about music and the patterns of music to figure out the letters yourself. See, we're slowly learning to read the music. One thing about Ode to Joy, I'm changing the rhythm in a couple of the measures. The last measure of the first line and the last measure of the second line. The new rhythm, which I'm going to write in on your book, says tum ti tu. Say that. Tum ti tu. That's how we're going to count a dotted quarter note and then an eighth note and a half note. Tum ti tu. And before I let you go to practice, let's look at the rhythm of the bottom line. Say it with me, starting on ta. This can be the trickiest part of the song for some students. Say the rhythm, here we go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 two. Say that one more time. Ready, say it. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 two. Let's play that bottom line together, starting on the A. The last note of the third line is tricky. It's a low D. Hopefully this helps you get a nice head start on Ode to Joy. Happy practicing!